So today I want us to practice the energy and change, which is stored energy in fuels. Stored energy in fuels. So we will be doing crosswords here. We will find a word for 1, find a word for 2, and we fill up this crossword. Welcome to my classroom. I am Sir Rudolph Matumbo. I am a professional teacher. I hold a degree in education and I am SEO registered. If you need revision with all CAPS aligned subjects, you are in the right place. Please subscribe for more revisions. If you need private tutoring, please contact me using the contact details provided in the description of this video. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. So, let's look at the questions here. They say number 1 is a hard black mineral that produces heat when bent. So a hard black mineral that produces heat when it is bent. Then it means here they are talking about a coal. Coal is hard, right? Yes. Coal is black, right? Yes. Coal is a mineral, yes? Yeah. Coal gives us heat when bent. Yes. Okay, let's go and write it on the blocks and see if it fits. So we come to the blocks and we say coal. So yes, it fits. So coal fits here. So number 2, now we know number 2 starts with an L. Then we'll be going down. Let's look at what number 2 says. So number 2 says output energy that travels in waves. Output energy that travels in waves. So the output energy that we know that starts with an L, it's light. It's light. Let's go and check if this fits in the block. So let's check if light fits in the block. Light is LGHT. So yes, light is the correct answer. Then we come to 3. What is 3? So 3 says a liquid used as a fuel in cars. A liquid that is used as a fuel in cars. And this, it sounds like petrol. So petrol. Let's go check if it fits in the blocks. So number 3, we say it is petrol. Yes, it fits in the blocks. We come to 4. 4 is the flow of energy. Energy output we feel. So what is the flow of energy? So this is a flow of energy. And this energy is an output energy that we feel. What is it? The output energy that we can feel is not sound, it's not light, but it is heat. We can feel heat, right? So let's go and check if it fits in our blocks. So number 4, we say it's yes, it fits. It's a heat. All right, let's go to number 5. Number 5 says is a A fossil fuel that is a source of energy. A fossil fuel that is a source of energy. So a fossil fuel that is a source of energy is gas. Does it fit in the blocks? Let's go and check. So number 5, we say it's gas, and yes, it fits. So now we know number 6 starts with an S. Let's go and check number 6. So number 6 says is a point of origin or start. So it's the point of origin or a start. What is that? What is the point of origin or the start? Let's go to 6. It starts with an S. So the point of origin is always a source. It's a source. So a point of origin is a source. Then let's go to, we just did number 6, now we go to 7. 7 goes the other way. So 7 says the flow or movement of charged particles from source of the energy. So when the flow or the movement of charged particles from a source of electricity. So what is that? I think it is energy. Let's go and see if it fits. This is energy. That is the flow or the movement of charged particles from a source of electricity. All right, number 8. Number 8 says energy used or put out. Energy used or put out. What is that? What is energy used or put out? Obvious. From the word put out, we get output. So the energy used is output. So the energy used is output. Now we know what 9 is. 9 should start with P. Let's look what 9 is. So 9 says a flammable liquid used in lamps. So this is a liquid but is flammable and it is used in lamps. So this sounds like paraffin. Let's see if it fits. We have already established that it starts with a P. So it's paraffin. So yes, it fits in the blocks. We go to number 10. Number 10 says the heat and oxygen mix with the fuel source to produce flames. So heat, oxygen mixed with fuel source to produce flames. This reminds me of the fire triangle, where we say it's heat, oxygen, then fuel. So this, it's fire. Let's go and check. This is fire. All right, we go to number 11. Number 11 says, any matter that produces heat when burnt. Any matter that produces heat when burnt. What is that? I think it's a fuel. Let's go. We already have an F, fuel. So we go to the last one, number 12. Number 12 says, an informal greeting. An informal greeting. What is an informal greeting? Hi. When you say hi, it's an informal greeting. Let's check if that is correct. We already have an I. We just put an H. We already had an I, so we just put an H. So yes, we have answered all the questions here and we got them correct. So for you is to keep on practicing this so that you'll be able to know your stored energy or the energy that is stored in fuels. Thanks for watching this video up until this point. It shows that you are serious about your education. Remember, if you want to learn something, repetition is the mother of all learning. So it is very important that you keep on repeating this video until you grasp all the concepts that are explained here. If you feel that there are some things that I didn't cover in this video, please do not hesitate to put it in the comment section.